Well, an important way to keep Virginia strong during this pandemic is by supporting local businesses. One Richmond company is now doing its part by spreading the word that restaurants are still open. Olivia Eugenio discovered Conquest Graphics is printing restaurant menus for free.
Conquest Graphics in Richmond is a small business with about 100 employees. They're still working. Many of the employees you see here, their work is helping out local restaurants.
We've started producing menus for local restaurants for free so that they can get the word out to their customers that they're serving takeout and things like that.
The company has currently helped out about 100 spots. Each local restaurant in Richmond can get 500 menus at no cost. The company is even offering to print menus for companies outside of the area. Just pay shipping.
It's really nice, the comments that you get back from owners, restaurant owners saying thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It's really gratifying to know that at least what you're doing is helping them get the word out to their customers. So it's a good thing.
The company has also used this machine to help cut out a little less than 1,000 face shields to be donated to the organization Build RVA. And this is just a couple of examples of what these menus will look like. So if you'd like to order yours, we'll have all of the information linked on our website, NBC12.com. On your side, Olivia Eugenio, NBC12 News.
Thanks, Olivia.